going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we finally caught a pair of the YEEZY Quantum Basketball Sneaker. We've wanted this sneaker in our collection ever since it released during the All-Star weekend, so we're very glad to have it in the collection right now. And we're going to show you guys how this sneaker looks on feet. And guys, make sure you stick around because we're going to be showing you guys how we style it with different outfits to really accentuate that YEEZY basketball silhouette, so stay tuned. Now, this sneaker supposedly released during the All-Star weekend. I don't know if that was an official release or just a shock drop, but it was very exclusive to the Chicago area, so it made it hard for a lot of people to cop a pair. And guys, the sneaker was very limited, so we just had to wait for like a general release or like a worldwide release of the sneaker. It also had like a second release of the barium colorway, but that colorway was very similar to this one, so we just decided to wait for this one to release. And we actually got the lifestyle version. I think there were two versions. There was a basketball version and a lifestyle version. I think the basketball version was more exclusive, so we had to get the lifestyle version. And this sneaker looks identical almost to the 700 V3, only like a high version. This toe box is very similar to the toe box you'll find in the 700 V3s. It has like an organic moving pattern that goes to the front of the sneaker, and I really like that about this sneaker. Now, when it comes to the tongue and the upper portion of this sneaker, it has like this neoprene material, which is really flimsy. I guess it's because this is the lifestyle version, so it doesn't really have any secure structure. The midsole is encapsulated in this translucent rubber, which you can see through the boost. And I love the outsole. It comes in this light milky color. I also love the pattern on the outsole. It is really interesting in person. And you guys know the YEEZY Quantums come with a full length boost, so it's definitely gonna be comfortable to wear all day. I mean, I can see the similarities with the toe box and the knit pattern on the side when you're looking up from the top. But it also has like a similar lacing system to the 700 V3s. But when you turn the sneaker over to the side, it has like a different profile. It has this basketball cut, and it definitely has like a different shape. When I first saw the sneaker, I'm not gonna cap, it's a lot wider than I expected. I thought it was gonna be more like the same shape as the 700 V3s, but it's a lot wider than I thought. But when you have the sneaker on, it still feels kind of wide, but it's definitely more comfortable than the 700 V3s. Yeah, because the sneaker actually has full length boost, so it's definitely gonna be a lot more comfortable. And this sneaker was one of the most anticipated YEEZY sneaker because Kanye teased this sneaker for a couple of years, and it finally released during All-Star weekend in 2020. So we were very excited to pick up a pair to try it out for ourselves. And with all the commotion going on during the release date, I think like the hype kind of died down a little bit. But even though this is like a unique silhouette from YEEZY. Now, when it comes to sizing, we decided to go with our standard size, a size 9, even though the sneaker fits kind of snug, because we didn't want the sneaker to look wider than it already does. So we went with a size 9 so we can stretch it out a little bit. But you guys should definitely go a half size up if you guys want the sneaker to be a little bit more comfortable. When it comes to styling the sneaker, since it has that basketball silhouette and is a little bit chunkier, you want to stick to baggier to loose fitted cargos. It's definitely gonna accentuate the sneaker silhouette. Yeah, we're gonna be staying away from skinny jeans because like skinny jeans is just gonna make the sneaker more wider than it already is. And since the sneaker has this monochromatic kind of color all throughout it, we're gonna be adding some colors to complement the sneaker. Now, we're not gonna bore you guys by talking too much about this sneaker. This sneaker is definitely gonna make it in our top 10 sneakers of 2020, so we're not gonna bore you guys by talking too much. We put together a detail on feet showing you guys how we styled this sneaker. And before we get to the on feet, if you guys are new to the channel, please guys go ahead and leave a like on the video right now because it really helps the channel. And please subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications so you get notified when we post a new video. And guys, go ahead and drop a comment down below. Let us know which outfit you guys like in the on feet. And until then, guys, we'll see you guys in our next video.